get?
I don't know.
You want chips?
I don't know what I'm gonna get.
Well, you gotta get something. Get a couple pops. Hold
Please.
this.
What are these?
Actually,
This, Mommy.
what is that? Get a push pop.
This is a push pop, I think.
Let me see that. Let me see that for a sec. This looks disgusting. No, put that back. Get her a push pop instead.
No, what a push pop. I don't
What kinds
want a
did you
push
get?
pop.
No, those are for me, honey. Give those.
I'm not gonna have it.
No, those are mine. I mean, you have to pay for them, mommy. What are you doing? Here. I ran out home, so.
I want to get something.
Hold on, we're not ready yet.
Wait.
Jill has to pick something. Oh, I forgot about the sodas. Yes, we've really been craving soda when normally we don't. I just want to see what else they have here.
Mommy, I want this.
We're gonna get you something different, sweetie.
Mommy, I want it. What is it?
I don't know.
It looks like a push pop.
Alright. Put some chips or some candy, or we're just gonna go, honey. We're not gonna get anything else. Let me see that. You still got stuff in your hair. Why don't you get a push pop? I don't even think you'll like that. Take the money out. Yeah, that's it.
It's rolling out. Yep.
Come on, sweetie.
I want my thing.
You gotta go first. You gotta go.
My thing?
Go ahead. Ah, the stroller tipped over.